Hey you guys, welcome back. Okay, today is gonna be a decorate with me on my living room. As you can see, all the decorations are out behind me. I just kind of pulled everything together and then I'm gonna show you guys how I put everything together and decorate my living room. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so you enter the house and then I'm just gonna show you around a little bit first, but here is our little entryway with like the coat hangers. That's like the little table, and don't mind the stand the stand right there, but that's the table where Zoe does like her homework and we have like the girls kind of do activities there. I did put up the Christmas tree because yeah, I was like so back and forth with what I wanted to do for decorations and stuff, and we put up the little train if you guys saw on my Christmas haul. And then we have the TV stand here. We got a little rocking chair over there in the corner, which I've had for ever, for like ever since right before I had Zoe. And then just all the decorations out. Wanted to show you, I did stop by Hobby Lobby, and because they were having like 50% off all their decorations, and I don't have anything out in the yard, so I grabbed a bunch of these things, and they come in like different sizes too, so that's what I did. Oh, and I grabbed more of these ones too. I have these on my tree already, and I was just like, I felt like it needed a little bit more, so I grabbed more of these ones, and it's stuck and I can't get it out. So but yeah, and I also picked this one up from Michael's because it goes with the ribbon that I got from the dollar store, but this was 50% off too, and it was $15. Yeah, I also grabbed, oh my god, so Target, I hate this is what I hate about Target, because they have the dollar spot like right when you enter Target, but these I saw in there, and this one says Merry Christmas. It's a little bell, it's so cute. And then this one too, this one is a little bell too. They have it in like different colors too. And then I found this one was $19.99, but it was actually on sale I think for like $18. But I thought that would be cute because I'm missing, like, I needed a little pop of red in my decor. But yeah, so that's everything. I pulled out everything too that I had previously in my home, like my home storage. But yeah, so this is all the stuff that I'm gonna use. Let's start to decorate. I wanted to mention too, so if you look up here, I actually put these ones up already. So I got that from Home Goods, I think it was last year or like the year before. But I got it like after Christmas for like, it was like on clearance. But I found that one, and then these ones I also got from Target. So I found two of them last year after Christmas, and then we just went to go and pick up the Zoe's one and Leia's one in store, and then we also have that one too. So I actually found those ones luckily 50% off last year after Christmas. Honestly, the best time to go and get a lot of these things for Christmas, like Christmas item stuff, like the big ones, are when they are on clearance too. But going back here, this one I found at Home Goods. I don't know if you saw my like little shop with me. I found that one up there too. I didn't show it on my like my haul at the end, but because I wanted to put it up and I just put it up really quickly. But I got that one from the sign from Home Goods, and then those two little ribbons are from the Target dollar spot. So, and that's like our little TV stand and me in the shadow here. This one I think I'm leaving. This one I left from, this is our, I got these ones, these little sprig things from Trader Joe's, and then this is from the Target bullseye spot. See, it's like $3. That was like during the Halloween like the Halloween time. But I think I might just leave that there because without that there, it looks super empty. Like just like that area empty. And then we have the Christmas tree over here. So the Christmas tree, I wanted us to talk about the Christmas tree. So I actually put all this stuff together already because I was just like so indecisive about what I wanted to do, but I know I wanted to do this like buffalo stripe print ones. I found this one from the dollar store, you guys. Oh my god, like so this is 2 ribbons. I did 2 ribbons all throughout. And then these ones I found at Walmart. Isn't that so cute? I think they were like only like $1. But this one these ones I got from Walmart too. This is from the dollar store. This one is from the dollar store too. But it's just really simple. And then of course we've had this one. So we got this one from Hawaii. It was just the 3 of us at first, and then last year I had my sister, my brother, and my sister-in-law. They grabbed us Leia's one, so that one was super. I just like added it so perfectly. But yeah, and then we just added just like a few pieces here and there, just to kind of give it a little bit of a touches. I put like this stuff that doesn't really go, but like I just put it here. It's actually like a little frame, but we got this one too. As a, I think it was as a gift, can't remember, but 2017 was when we got it. And then what else? Oh, the star I got from Target last year after their Christmas sales. It was on clearance, and these little sprig things. So I got all these little sprig things here. So this one I got from Hobby Lobby. This one I found, I think I also found that one at Hobby Lobby too. But so yeah, that is our Christmas tree. The Christmas tree, I mentioned that I got this from Walmart, like Walmart. So this one, it was out for like display, and we got it for $20. I think it's like a 6-foot tree, 6.5-foot tree. Yeah, super good. And then I don't know if you guys remember this from last year when Hearth Hand from Magnolia, when they came out with this. So this I got, it was like on sale one time, and I like snagged it up really quickly at the store. But oh, I love this, like I just love that look. And then inside, I forgot that I had that one. That is a tree skirt that I got from Target last year, and it says "Believe" on the inside, and then it's this black, red buffalo printed on the inside. So I thought that one was like perfect. So this is the letters to Santa that I was talking about in my shop with me video. This is the one from Hearth Hand Magnolia. They actually have a white one now in stores. Go pick it up, snag it. This is super cute. We used this last year for the girls. Oh, sorry. We used this last year for the girls, and they just kind of like wrote the little letters to Santa. We have the elves on the shelf as well too. So we've been, once we start decorating, well, once I start like getting all the decorations and stuff up, I told the girls that once all the decorations are up, the elves will know that Christmas is coming and that we're ready for Christmas, and that the elves are gonna be coming. So that's usually what we do. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this one up here. fun. So walk into the living room and we have our Christmas tree here, and then our TV stand area. We'll walk over here, and then I have the letters to Santa mailbox there with the Christmas tree, and then these, the little gnomes. This I actually got at Target last year after Christmas on sale. And then come over here, I got these ones from Target too. This one I got last year, and then this one you saw on my haul. The blanket or the throw, I actually got that at the Nordstrom anniversary sale this year. And don't mind the AC and my little weight blocks here. Turn that down here. Oh, there we go. That looks much better. Okay, so here's our little couch area right here. So this is like a sectional. We've had this sectional for like years, probably before, yeah, this is like even before we even moved out here to San Diego. So I kept the Thankful for Family pillow that I had from Thanksgiving. I just left that one there. And then of course you saw the stockings here and the stockings up here. And then I just kind of made a little area over here with the gift boxes. I might just do those as just like my giveaway as like gifts and stuff to people. But and this one I didn't end up doing. I actually might do a giveaway. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I didn't end up using those ones. But come over here, I kept the Our Nest, the one that I got from Halloween or like Halloween time from Target, and then I put the Merry Christmas here. So these big like buffalo checkered or flannel printed pillows, I got those two. So I got two of them. I got those from Target last year. I got them like after Christmas, and they were like on clearance for 50% off. So I decided to do those Costco throw pillows and put those in there. They're the fluffy ones, and they were only $12, $12.99 at Costco. So I got two of them, and then of course I put the Target Merry Christmas one that I just got here. Yeah, but and don't mind our computers because that's actually where we work, or where we do like the editing and all that stuff. Here is our little entryway. I put the wreath up. That wreath I got last year. No, yeah, I think I got that one last year, but can't really see it because of the sun beaming in there. But I got these little nutcrackers. I just put those ones there. We've had those ones for a year. And then I don't know if you guys seen these at Target, but this is at the Target dollar, or like the bullseye section. This rack thing, I got it like, it was like during Halloween time. But these are the girls' little snowmen that they got last year for Christmas from their grandma. But I just put them there, and then I put the little candle here. This, you guys, it's the one from Mrs. Meyer's, their soy candle. Let it focus a little bit, but it's the soy candle, and it's the mum scent. This smells so good. And then I found this at the dollar store, but I haven't really decided where to put it yet. Yeah, I don't know, I might put it somewhere, but yeah, for when the elves come, because they are coming, right? Right. Once everything's all decorated. But yeah, that is our living room, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Leave some comments down below too. Ask me any questions if I've missed anything, or if nothing was put down in the information box. I will be sure to try to link a lot of the stuff that I have in the information box down below, so be sure to check it down there. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and happy holidays to you all, and happy decorating. Bye, you guys.